When we're faced with a complex diagnostic dilemma, we don't just jump to a conclusion. We work through the differentials, ruling things out based on the evidence. But AI models by default try to give the answer as quickly as possible, which often leads to mistakes. How do we force the AI to slow down and think before it speaks? This technique is called chain of thought prompting, or CoT. It's incredibly simple but effective. You simply add the phrase, "let's think step by step" into your prompt. This triggers the model to lay out its reasoning process in a more deep linear sequence before it gives the final answer. By breaking the problem down into smaller logical steps, the AI is more likely to spot its own errors. Now, a lot of models do this automatically with any prompt that you feed them these days, but it can be helpful to explicitly ask for that to ensure that it's done kind of deeply for the specific problem that you're looking solved. Think of it like a maths exam. If you just write the final answer and it's wrong, you get 0 marks. But if you show you're working, you're more likely to stay on the right track, and the teacher can see where you went wrong. Chain of thoughts is the AI showing it's working for a clinical diagnosis. So why does this matter? First is better logic. Research shows that chain of thought significantly improves AI's performance on complex reasoning tasks. Second is auditability. When the AI explains why it reached a conclusion, you can easily spot if and where its logic has failed. And third is a bias check. Seeing the steps allows you to see if the AI is overweighting a single piece of information. So that's chain of thought in a nutshell.